Okay guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Please if this is your first time of watching our YouTube channel, please hit on the subscribe button, click on notification bell, drop your comment in the comment section. Today I want to teach you how you could buy um, a TikTok coin through from another country, a very cheap one with your paper. Okay, with your paper account. Not all country that offers that. So first you're going to download a VPN. Let's assume we are using this VPN. Alright, so super VPN, that is what I want to use. Let's see how it works. So this is the front page of the VPN. It's very simple, easy to use, self-explain. You just click on this place. This particular place. Okay, you just click there, and it will show you the location. We look for Brazil. Let's keep going. Let's keep looking for Brazil. Let's keep looking for Brazil. Let's keep looking for Brazil. Okay, this is Brazil. This is Brazil. This is Brazil here. Okay, so let's get it done. So Brazil is connected. So since Brazil is connected, we're going to minimize, then go to your Chrome. You could use Firefox, Firefox, Safari, any kind of browser you want to use. You could use it to do whatever you want to do. So when you get here, you just type TikTok. You see, tiktok.com/coin. Look at it up here. TikTok. Look at it up here. tiktok.com/coin. So that is just all we're going to use. Remember, everything is on Brazil. So you see, this is it now. This is Brazilian rand. You can exchange for coin. If you have coin, you can exchange, but I don't have coin on this my account because this is my backup account. So all you just need to do is to click on the actual coin you want to buy. For instance, you want to buy 1,400 coin. It's for 75.19 rand. So you click on it. You click on buy now. So it's loading, please. Be patient. Now you see it gives me option to use any of the option I want to use. So I will click on paper. If you want to use card, you use card. If you want to use paper, if you want to use pay with a new Beto and the rest, you can use. So you use paper. Did you get it now? When you're using paper, you see pay now. Then I'll click on pay now. It's loading. Now it has taken me to my paper. Now this is when you have paper. I think I will be stopping here. I'll be stopping here. I think that is just all you need to do. Okay, that's just all you need to do to get what you want to get on this. All right, so guys, I will be stopping here. The rest place is self-explanatory. It's just for you to get whatever you want to get and move forward to do what you want to do with your account. So it's very easy. As soon as you get here, just put in your password in the place of password, click on login. A code will be sent to you. If you have two-step verification, then you go ahead and pay. You see the conversion rate there. All right guys, I think that is a major thing. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop your comment in the comment section. God bless you.